Guys, good morning or good evening, because you guys will most likely watch this vlog in the evening. So here is another vlog. Welcome to another vlog, and I think this is about to be my beauty maintenance vlog. So I have plans this week, and my plans are basically to get my beauty things done, basically my hair, nails, my laser hair removal. What else do I do? Anything that I do that surrounds beauty, you know. So yeah, today is glow up week, or this week is glow up week, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. Hi guys, so today is Wednesday, and I'm starting my beauty routine basically today. I had my laser appointment I think for Saturday, but I'm going to be going today. The way my week is set up right now, on Friday I have plans for Friday. I want to go out, so I decided to shift my laser appointment to Wednesday, and then I'm making my hair tomorrow, which is Thursday. And I was supposed to make my nails before I go out on Friday, but I think my nails will be for Saturday or Sunday. I'm not sure. Do they open on Sunday? I'm not sure. So yeah, I'm going for my laser appointment, and yeah, as you guys can see, my facial hair is like out right now, and I need to take that out. And then my eyebrow, I need to shave my eyebrows, and then I need to do my laser for my bikini area, and then my underarm. Although I almost no longer have hairs under my arms, but for my bikini area and then my face, I still have hair. So I'm still undergoing laser hair removal, and still at the same place, even though I live at a further distance right now. I'm not going to cheat on my esthetician. I'm going to go back to her because I love her so much, and I just really can't open myself to anyone right now. So yeah, I'm going to go for my appointment. So she fixed me up. I just texted her. I'm like, okay, I'm coming. Can you get me an appointment for tomorrow? And she's like, oh, we're full. And then she's like, she's gonna make out time. And then she made out time, and then she told me to come at 3. So she just texted me that I should make it 4 o'clock, and so I'm gonna go there by 4. And then when I'm done with that, I'm gonna go take off this hair. I'm gonna go to the salon to take this off and then wash my hair so I can make my hair tomorrow. So yeah, so today laser, tomorrow hair, and then later in the weekend I'm going to go for my nails, and that will be that. So what else do I have to say in this vlog, or what else? I'm just going to take you guys with me all through whatever I have to do. And yeah, I've already had my shower. I'm just waiting for time. I ordered food. I didn't cook at home, so we ordered, and we're just waiting for the food to arrive. Then I will eat, and I will go out, and yeah, and I'll take you guys with me. I think I've said that already. What else do I have to do? I need to buy a memory card, guys. I have all of this and one in the camera now. I have 5 memory cards, but apparently it's not enough. So I need to get a memory card, and I also need to get like a card reader and all of that. Will I get it today? I'm on a budget today. I'm not getting it. So, but yeah, that's what I have to do today. And yeah, see, for tomorrow, I just hope I will not be pissed off tomorrow, because the lady that, okay, you know what, will I talk to you guys tomorrow? I'm not sure, because I'm just gonna hurry out in the morning. So let me talk now. The lady that makes our hair, we usually do home service. She's no longer in Istanbul, which is so sad right now, because I enjoyed the experience of someone coming over to make my hair. But then we had to establish contact with like other people that make hair, and I got this other lady to make my hair. She did home service, but the hair did not last at all, and I have a problem with that. So we looked for someone else. So the person made Bethel's hair already, but this one doesn't do home service. You literally have to go to her. So I'll go to her to make my hair. But the problem I have is that the last time Bethel did not have a good experience with her. She wasted her time and all of that. So I just hope, because I do not have the tiniest patience, you know, and I have things to do. It's not about having patience, because sometimes you can make room for other people, other people's excesses or something, but I don't have the time. Like, I have things to do. Oh, okay, I'll check back with you guys when I'm going for my appointment, my laser appointment. You guys are gonna say hello to my laser lady, because hi guys, I even forgot to wear my earrings. So I've been waiting for a cab for the past maybe 30 minutes. I ordered an Uber. The Uber was almost here, and then like 3 minutes later, or not 3, after like 10 minutes, the guy cancelled. No, he didn't cancel. He picked someone else when he got here, and then I was waiting, and then I couldn't order another Uber because the trip was ongoing. So now I had to order another taxi, and now oh my Jesus Christ. Now I'm waiting for another one, which says 5 minutes here, and I hope it doesn't take a long time.
If you need to learn how to talk to a lady, ask your mum.
So guys, I'm here at my Lazer place. So where's my so I'm waiting for my Lazer lady to come out. Hello. Hi, what are you doing?
How are you?
I'm fine. You? What's this? Mask? Oh, okay.
See you.
Alright, see you. And I'll wait for her because I'm kind of late. I was supposed to be here by, I think, 4, but I think this is like 4:33. You guys meet my sweetheart.
Thank you.
Yeah, so we're about to discuss beauty.
Cheers. Onun için çok memnun değilim. Seni güzel bir yere yönlendireceğim.
Okay. Yeah, I'll talk to you later because it's my turn now. Bye.
Ask your mum.
My Lazer and my sweetheart.
Thank you. I love you.
I know you love me. I love you too. Yeah, so it's time. Let the glow up. Oh, I'm supposed to look here. Let the glow up begin. I'm trying to get rid of my facial hair. The way she mapped it out, that is my problem area. And yeah, so we finished shaving my face and it is time for my laser hair removal. I think I've done a video on this. If you want to know everything about laser hair, there's a video. I'm going to link it somewhere if I remember. But yeah,
to show how I feel, 'cause I've been struggling, trying to find what love is, but you gave it to me, but I was just too blind to see. And now
guys, I'm not pleased with the development today. The weather, first of all, the weather is freezing outside. And secondly, after I finished my laser hair removal, and the next plan was to go wash my hair, but the salon is closed because I was too late, and now I have to wash my hair myself, so I'm not happy. Like I said, I just wanted to relax and be taken care of, but what can one do? So guys, I can't believe I'm actually losing my hair myself. Hectic. I mean, I'm going to have to wash this hair myself. I'm not pleased at all. Okay guys, so I'm going to go into the bedroom and wash my hair. I won't even lie, like, how did this salon close? I would have gotten a really nice scalp massage today. Okay, so I'm done washing my hair. Time to deep condition. I think it's actually properly washed. You guys, I feel like it's not that I feel my hair has been severely damaged. If not that, I have to make this hair tomorrow. Like nothing would have made me touch this hair. Congratulations. Like nothing in this life. Okay, so work it in. Work the conditioner in. Hi guys, good morning. So I literally just woke up, and so yeah, I have to go make my hair soon. My appointment is for 11, and yeah, I'm just about to go take a shower, and then yeah, I'll do a few things here at home. I can't wait to look like a human being again. What I want to do before I go out is lay my bed, change my sheets, especially because I want to come back a brand new person. You know, like when you're done making your hair, it's always so stressful. So I want to use this opportunity to do things like lay in the bed.
The sun don't shine as bright when you aren't here with me, and I'd give anything to turn back time so that we could be together again.
I'm headed there right now to change my nails. Shit. You guys, the weather is so cold, it's so horrible. Check later.
Something and then I thought I'd call mine. A brand new feeling was so foreign to me, so I ran away, 'cause I was too terrified to stay. Now the sun don't shine as bright when you aren't here with me, and I'd give anything to turn back time so that we.
Okay, so just about to hit my house. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm gonna change the shape, and yeah, I'll show you guys my nail tip. She's the best, she's the bomb. Okay, first of all, let me show you what I want to do. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is what I'm trying to do. And you guys are gonna see, she's gonna get it. She's so good at what she does. And maybe a little bit of this design. Maybe like 1, 2 marble one to go on this nail. I think the design requires that the shape should be this way, so I'm gonna have to change this one. Before and later, I'll show you. Hi guys, that's my nail. Her name is Novi Fair. Welcome.
Be together again. Oh, I'm so sorry, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt anybody.
Hi everyone, how are you? So I'm just editing this vlog and I realized I didn't end it as usual, so here am I to end the vlog properly. Hair check, nails check, body, laser, shave, whatever check. We're on 100. Fresh, clean, I'm ready to take on the city, take on the town, whatever. Anyways, you guys, I'm so tired. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you're subscribed if you're not, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.